And after months of planning and partnerships, we are thrilled to formally announce the Hudson Valley Community College Aeronautical Technology Institute right here at the Albany International Airport, where we're going to have classrooms, lab work, hands-on training that's going to occur, creating a strong pipeline for careers in aviation.
These are the type of programs that are going to make a difference in someone's life on an underserved community that can come out and make $55,000 a year right here in their backyard.
These mechanics, these kids are going to be so highly skilled. Like all of our Hudson Valley kids that come out, I hear that all over the Capital Region, that the Hudson Valley kids are so well prepared, so well trained.
Because of the training they receive here, will become the future leaders of our nation's aviation system and important contributors to the vitality and success of our Capital Region community.
With nearly 70 years as leaders in the technical skills-based education and training, Hudson Valley is ready. And with your partnership, we look forward to seeing our new program take flight.